Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chocolate truffles without using any cocoa powder. We begin by creating a rich ganache, the heart of any truffle. You will need 1 cup of heavy cream and 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate. Heat the cream until it just simmers, then pour it over the finely chopped chocolate. Stir until completely smooth and glossy, then chill for a few hours. Now that your ganache is perfectly chilled and firm, it is time to shape those beautiful truffles. Take the ganache out of the refrigerator and let it sit for just a few minutes to soften slightly. Use a small spoon or a 1-inch cookie scoop to get consistent portions. Then, with clean hands, quickly roll each portion into a smooth, round ball. Work efficiently to prevent the ganache from melting too much. With your truffle centers ready, let's explore some delightful coating options that do not involve cocoa powder. A popular choice is to melt 6 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like milk or dark, and dip each truffle for a smooth, glossy finish. For extra texture and flavor, you could roll them in finely crushed nuts, toasted shredded coconut, or even vibrant sprinkles. Be creative and have fun with your choices. Once your truffles are coated, place them on a sheet of parchment paper to allow the coatings to set. For a quicker set, you can pop them into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. These homemade delights are best enjoyed fresh, but they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. They also make wonderful gifts, so consider sharing your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.